How to delete YouTube Shorts history. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove individual shorts from your history or clear your recent YouTube activity. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you're signed in to the account whose history you want to manage. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Manage All History. This will open your YouTube watch history, including the shorts you've recently watched. To remove a single short from your history, find the video and tap the X next to it. If you want to delete multiple videos at once, tap Delete at the top of the page. You can choose Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time, depending on how much history you want to remove. Keep in mind that YouTube doesn't currently provide a separate option to delete only Shorts history. Deleting history for a selected time period will also remove your regular YouTube watch history from that same period. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your YouTube Shorts history. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more YouTube tips and tutorials.